Dial 911.
911.
No, dial it. On the dial.
Oh, frick.
No, 911.
I don't know.
Okay, dial 911.
What? What?
Charger and the other one.
What?
I don't have you in the picture, I just have the phone.
I don't know.
Why did you put the receiver down?
What?
Why'd you put this down?
Because I don't know how to work. That's cool. I don't.
What do you think you do?
I don't know.
First you gotta pick this up, I'll tell you that much. Okay, that releases the phone, so you can now dial. First you gotta dial 9.
How do
How do you dial 9? Use your brain, I know you can figure it out. You're a very smart person. Okay, those are all finger holes.
I'm not even sure if I think
Okay, what do you do with your finger hole? Keep going, keep going. Release. 9. And dial 1. Release. Put it up to your ear. You dialed 911.
Hello?
Then how do you hang it up? And then this,
my
you
mom.
hang it up. I killed my mom. Look, now you know how to do that.